Hello friends, welcome to our help videos. In this video, we'll explain what Advanced Consent Mode is and how to set it up using the Simprosys Google Shopping Feed app for your Shopify store. Advanced Consent Mode is an updated feature designed to better align with recent privacy laws. This ensures compliance with data protection regulations like GDPR by respecting user preferences regarding data collection. It helps to measure conversions and visitor behavior while respecting user privacy and complying with data protection regulations. Why and where is Advanced Consent Mode needed? The Advanced Consent Mode is needed for merchants that operate in regions where data protection laws require user consent for data collection and processing, such as the European Economic Area, Switzerland, and the United Kingdom. We have two options to set up the consent mode: Basic and Advanced. Let's understand the difference between Advanced and Basic Consent Mode. Advanced Consent Mode. When implementing Advanced Consent Mode, tags load as soon as a user visits your website. These tags initialize the Consent Mode API and perform the following actions. By default, consent will be denied. While consent is denied, tags will still trigger, but data will be reported using cookieless pings. Waits for the user to interact with the consent banner and update the consent status accordingly. The tags will send full measurement data only after the user gives consent to data collection. Basic Consent Mode. When you implement Consent Mode in its basic version, you prevent the tags from loading until a user interacts with a consent banner. This setup transmits no data to Google or Microsoft advertising before user interaction with the consent banner. When the user grants consent, the tags load and execute the Consent Mode APIs. Before we proceed with implementing the consent mode, ensure that your online store complies with the data protection regulations like GDPR applicable in your region for tracking your customers' details. It is important to note that our app does not provide the feature to implement the cookie consent banner on your online store. You can enable the cookie consent banner using the native Shopify admin option or any third-party privacy app, and then proceed to activate the consent mode from our app. So, let's dive into the process of implementing the Advanced Consent Mode from our app. Navigate to the Tracking Tags section and click on Consent Mode. Enable the Consent Mode. After enabling it, you will see a detailed view displaying additional information about the setup. Select the implementation type as per your requirements. Here, we are selecting the Advanced Consent Mode option, which is the recommended option. After that, you will see the option for URL pass-through. When a user lands on your website after clicking an ad, information about the ad may be appended to your landing page URL as a query parameter. To keep tracking working, these details are added directly to the URLs as users move through your site. If analytics storage is denied, the URL pass-through would help to transmit analytics data, including conversions, without relying on cookies. Lastly, you will see the Fully Redact Ads Data option. When a user initially agrees to data storage for advertising purposes but later withdraws consent, enabling the Redact Ads Data option ensures that any previously stored advertising-related data associated with that user is deleted. This ensures compliance with data protection regulations by aligning data handling with the user's updated preferences. That's all about enabling the Advanced Consent Mode from our app. Hope this helps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest updates. Got more questions? Drop them in the comments below or send an email to support@simprosys.com. Thank you for watching.